DJI, a trailblazer in aerial and action photography, is poised to revolutionize the mirrorless camera market. Renowned for its cutting-edge drones and action cameras, DJI's rumored entry into this competitive space has generated palpable excitement among photography enthusiasts and professionals. With its expertise in capturing breathtaking aerial footage and stunning action sequences, DJI has earned a loyal following. Its innovative products, such as the DJI Mavic and Osmo series, have consistently pushed the boundaries of photography and videography. The potential for DJI to bring its expertise to the mirrorless camera market has sparked anticipation. DJI's entry could introduce enhanced video capabilities, advanced stabilization features, and user-friendly interfaces. If DJI enters the market, it will likely target professionals and enthusiasts seeking high-quality, feature-rich cameras. DJI's legacy of innovation primes the company to revolutionize the mirrorless camera market. Respected industry insider Andrea Pizzini sparked rumors, highlighting DJI's video technology expertise and design ingenuity. DJI's reputation for exceptional image quality, advanced stabilization, and intuitive interfaces positions its potential mirrorless camera as a compelling alternative. DJI's key strengths include unparalleled video capabilities, advanced stabilization systems, and user-friendly interfaces. The DJI mirrorless camera could integrate high-resolution sensors, fast autofocus and tracking, and robust weather sealing. By leveraging its expertise, DJI can create a mirrorless camera that meets the demands of professionals and enthusiasts. With its track record of disruption, DJI is poised to reshape the mirrorless camera landscape and set new standards for innovation and performance. As the rumors continue to build, one thing is clear. DJI's potential entry into the mirrorless camera market will be a game-changer. DJI's entry into the mirrorless camera market promises cutting-edge video capabilities, including 6K or 8K RAW format recording. This feature will facilitate seamless editing and color grading. Additionally, DJI's proprietary log color profile and a high-resolution sensor, potentially 42-megapixel Micro Four 3, will ensure exceptional image quality. The choice of lens mount will be crucial, with DJI potentially adopting the L mount or introducing a proprietary design. This decision will significantly impact compatibility, functionality, and overall user experience. DJI's mirrorless camera will balance performance and price, targeting professionals and enthusiasts. Professionals will appreciate exceptional image quality, reliability, and customization, while enthusiasts will enjoy advanced features, intuitive interfaces, and affordability. Key features may include advanced autofocus and stabilization systems, weather sealing, intuitive interfaces, and enhanced connectivity options. By combining innovative video capabilities, exceptional image quality, and strategic design choices, DJI's mirrorless camera will redefine the market, offering unparalleled creative possibilities. While awaiting confirmation, let's examine DJI's current handheld camera offerings. The Osmo Pocket 3 impresses vloggers with its gimbal stabilization and 4K technology. Rumors of the Osmo Pocket 4 promise significant upgrades, including improved low-light performance and advanced slow-motion capabilities. DJI's relentless pursuit of innovation drives its expansion into mirrorless cameras and advancements in handheld cameras. Leveraging expertise in aerial and action photography, DJI is strategically positioned to revolutionize the photography and videography landscape. With its potential mirrorless camera, DJI promises enhanced image quality and dynamic range, advanced autofocus and stabilization systems, intuitive interfaces, and seamless integration with its ecosystem. Handheld camera advancements include improved sensor technology, enhanced optical zoom and focus capabilities, advanced stabilization, and compact ergonomic designs. By integrating aerial, action, and mirrorless photography expertise, DJI redefines creative storytelling boundaries. The company empowers professionals and enthusiasts with cutting-edge tools and fosters a community of innovators and content creators. As DJI continues to push technological boundaries, it solidifies its position as a leader in photography and videography innovation, shaping the future of visual storytelling.